So my task today, ladies and gentlemen, is to make this look like a functioning member of society again, because as you can see, there's a lot off. Long story short, windscreen was fitted badly, caused a water leak down the bulkhead, see from there down here, and it was running off the pedals and pretty much everywhere, to be fair. Now we've solved that situation, we've solved the wiring issues that it caused. We're now going to make the car right. So at the click of my fingers, this is going to be back together and running. Are you ready? Ta-da! Sorted. She needs a little bit of an hoover out, but as you can see, guys, she's cooking on gas. She's beautiful, ready to obviously receive its interior valet, and then of course go back to the customer. So there we go. I've just come back off the road test. Everything's working perfectly. Sorted. So job well done, guys. On to the next.